The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto E from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is the Moto E 2020 version. So this one's available now. It's been available recently came out. So if you guys are looking to get a decent budget phone, this is the phone worth checking out here. So as I said, Moto E, twice the camera, double the power. So yeah. So the Moto E has a 13 megapixel dual camera system on the back, 3550 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, so that's pretty nice. Just to find out finding it's available now for $159.99. So the price is not too bad now, but this is a budget phone, so just keep it in mind. So in front of the Moto E, you will also have a takeout monitor megapixel camera, the power and 9K video on the right side of the phone now. And I do like the wallpaper there, very nice and colorful wallpaper there on the thing there. So it's a power 9 piece on the rear of the Moto E. You guys will have two cameras, no flash fingerprint sensor, and the phone's available in this blue color. I think your SIM card and micro SD card slot is on the left side of the phone, I think. Those are all headphone jack, and yeah. On the bottom of the phone you guys have a microphone, Type-C charger, and speaker. So yeah. So Moto E gives you a fast focusing 13 megapixel dual camera system, so you can easily add beautiful bokeh effects to portraits across you. Your A-long lasting 3550 mAh battery, Android and Ultra about 6.2 inches, max vision display, and optical processor speed, and the simplicity of unlocking using only your fingerprint Moto E raw phone. So you have the 13 megapixel dual camera on the back with flash, 3550 mAh battery, 6.2 inch navigation display, Snapdragon 632 optical processor, and print radar and stuff like that. So that's pretty nice. That's a 13 megapixel dual camera system. Focus what you want at the fast racing 13 megapixel camera means you never miss a moment. Snapdragon 632 processor. Use the light time of Moto E, which responds instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe, so you can get right to the good stuff. 6.2 inch max vision display. Bring your favorite movies, shows, websites, and games to life on an ultra wide screen. This is a 720p display there, so you keep it in mind. 3550 mAh battery, power for today and tomorrow. Shoot photos that stand out. Dual cameras allow you to play the depth of field by adding bokeh effects to your portraits, or you can have fun swapping out the background completely with the cutout mode, so that's pretty cool. Stream movies and music for hours. The long-lasting battery lets you play games longer and browse with confidence, and you can get through the day on a single charge. Bring your content to life. You will love being able to see all your content on the ultra-wide edge-to-edge screen while still holding the Moto E comfortably in one hand, so that's pretty good. The Moto E just has Moto Play. Moto E has Metro Play here. It says a bit more from the new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering creative content from over 60 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. So this is how I did it right there, so that's pretty cool right there. So like I said, the Moto E specs are pretty decent. This is a budget smartphone, so you do have to keep it in mind, alright? So internal storage, you get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, about 20 gigabytes is what it's using. I think it has 2 gigabytes of RAM, I think 2 gigabytes of RAM there. So, 6.2 inch max vision HD Plus this one, a 13 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. I think the 2 megapixel is depth, and then you hold a 5 megapixel front facing camera. 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion. Hotspot 26 out of the talk time, Android 10. Snapdragon 632 processor at 1.8 GHz, octa-core. The Moto E weighs 6.53 ounces. So there are some accessories for the Moto E. If you guys want to get accessories for the Moto E, go to Amazon and type in Moto E 2020, get your accessories from Amazon. So there you guys have the Moto E 2020 is now a Metro by 10 mobile originally got released. It's available now for $159.99. So if you guys are looking to get a decent budget phone, this is the phone to look at here. This phone does look very nice, but I don't like the blue color. I just don't like it. I just think it doesn't look that good with blue. That's just my opinion. But overall, the phone looks very nice. And the specs in here are not too bad. This is a budget phone, so you do have to take that into consideration as well. So if you guys want a backup phone or whatever, the Moto E could be one for you to check out. It does look very nice, minus the blue color. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Moto E 2020 now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let us know. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.